Do you know that even without having 1 naira in your Opay account, you can buy data and airtime for free on Opay? Now, this is what we are going to show you in this video. Now, let's go and open our Opay account. Alright, so this is my Opay app here. I'll just click on this now. Let it take me back to the beginning. Alright, so this is the interface of the Opay app. Now, where to go is to go down to where you see rewards here. You click on the rewards. Now, this is where you can buy your airtime or data for free. Right, in the rewards, I have cashback of 89 naira and 3 data vouchers. Alright, so this is what I'm going to use for buying the data and the airtime without spending any amount from your account. Alright, having shown you the rewards now, let's go ahead and buy the airtime now. You can see either airtime and data here. So let's click on airtime and see. Now these are the available airtime top up out here. So for example, if you want to buy 15 naira airtime, you click on it, then you come down to where you see cashback here. You toggle on the cashback. Then because I have a lot of cashback here, I'll be deducted 0 naira from my account, you see. So I'll use the cashback for the airtime instead of my money. Alright, same way, if you want to buy for 100 naira airtime, then you use your cashback to offset the bill. Alright, so I'll just be deducted 11 naira for the purchase of 100 naira airtime. This is because I don't have up to 100 cashback at the moment, but as you continue using the cashback and any more cashback every day, then the more you will be able to buy free airtime and data. Now let's go ahead for the data. Now come to data here and click on it. Alright, so these are the available data packages here, and I have 2 vouchers to use for the data. Now let's assume I want to buy the one of 50 MB one day. Alright, so I'll be charged 50 naira for 50 MB, but instead of charging from my account, I'll use my cashback. Click on the cashback, just toggle it on. You see, just 0 naira deducted from your account. Same way, if you have much cashback, then the higher amount of data you'll be able to buy. Let's try 350 MB for example. Normally 350 MB costs 200 naira, but because I have cashback here too and voucher, the voucher will offset 100 naira bill here, and with my cashback again, I'll use it to offset the remaining bill. So instead of paying 200 naira for 350 MB, I'll just be paying 11 naira. Is this not amazing? This is amazing. Alright, so this is how it is to use cashback. Alright, so having shown you this now, let me just go ahead and buy any of the packages I want to buy now. Now I'll be buying airtime at the moment. So let me just buy airtime of 50 naira. I'll use my 50 naira. Check cashback. You can see this now. So I'll go ahead and pay. So you can see I've purchased the airtime successfully using 0 naira. You see, I've earned another 3 cashback again. So I think there I have up to 42 cashback remaining now, and my vouchers are still remaining, but I don't want to use the voucher for now. I'll be using it later time. So I hope you find this video useful, and don't forget again, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you next time.